Okay, so wearables have been a part of this tech industry for quite some time now, and now finally Google has come out with their own watch, which they call the Pixel Watch. So this watch is the first generation watch by Google, and it starts at $350 here in the United States, which is quite similar to the rest of the watches like the Apple Watch Series 8, which starts at $400. Now this watch is powered by Wear OS, which is Google's own operating system for watches. And this has been on watches previously, like the Samsung Galaxy watches or Garmin's or some Fossil watches as well. So naturally, because Google has been doing this for a while, the software is just amazing. But when it comes to the hardware of this watch, there are some problems. So the design of the watch is pretty neat. It comes in this circular design, which is shaped somewhat like a rock or a pebble. It has a stainless steel finish, which is more durable than aluminum, for example, which is used on the Apple Watch. So on the front, obviously it's a display. It can go up to 1000 nits of brightness and has a 41 millimeters of diameter. And once you see this watch in person, yeah, your first thought's probably going to be it's pretty small. Now coming to the health features, so this watch is powered by Fitbit, the health portion of it at least. I guess Fitbit just carries this brand value with it, which makes it seem better. Now, health features powered by Fitbit, which sounds great, but there is actually a pretty major limitation to this, which I will talk about in a while. So this watch comes with a free 6-month Fitbit Premium trial, and with Fitbit Premium, you have access to an ECG app, fall detection and SOS like introduced with the Apple Watch Series 7, and also stress management. Now all this is included under Fitbit Premium, which you do get 6 months free of when you buy this watch. But well, after 6 months, yeah, you kind of have to pay $10 a month additional to the actual price you paid for the watch. It's weird. So one more major disadvantage for this watch is battery. So on paper it's a 294 mAh battery, which can last you up to 24 hours. So, you know, if you have features like always on display or, you know, like heart rate tracking on, it will probably not even last you a whole day, which is a pretty major downside because it's just annoying having to charge your watch each and every single day. Now thanks to Wear OS, you get multiple apps on this watch that you can download through Google Play Store. And hey, you got 32 gigs of storage for all these apps. You can also use apps like Spotify to control music on your watch, and possibly any workout you could think of is on Google Fit. Like, you even got workouts for flossing and gardening. I mean, you can only imagine the amount of workouts that are on there. It's just the software part of it is amazing, but yeah, as I said, the hardware, not so much. And so that's pretty much the watch. It's not a bad option if you want to go for it, but honestly, given it costs like $350, I would probably just go with another watch, something like the Apple Watch SE if you got an iPhone, or the Galaxy Watch 5 if you got a Samsung. So I mean, given Apple and Samsung have been doing this for like 8 and 5 generations respectively, and this is only Google's first, it will naturally take some time for them to catch up, but they're getting there. They will. I mean, it's Google, right? They do it. Thanks for watching.